Bangladesh is a major pillar of India's neighborhood first policy. It is the shared commitment of Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, and Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina, to strengthen the India-Bangladesh partnership in the area of connectivity. The deepening bilateral development cooperation in the area of multimodal connectivity is a reflection of this vision for facilitating regional economic integration and increased people-to-people contact. Several efforts have been taken by both countries to enhance connectivity by building rail, road and waterways linkages. Rupsha Rail Bridge is part of the Khulna Mongla Port Railway project being taken up under the Government of India concessional line of credit extended to the Government of Bangladesh. The broad-gauge, single-track railway bridge is over 5 kilometers long and has been constructed by an Indian contractor. The total project cost is approximately $389 million, while the cost of the bridge is approximately $169 million. The bridge has been constructed over the Rupsha tidal river, and its construction involved use of specialized technology as well as additional features for ensuring navigation safety, with navigational clearance of more than 18 meters. The Rupsha Railway Bridge and the Khulna Mongla Port Rail line will greatly increase the connectivity of Mongla Port, the second largest port of Bangladesh, and provide an alternate route for rail and maritime trade. It would also allow other countries in the region to use the port and boost sub-regional development. Jai Hind, Joy Bangla.